Y'all, my nails is coming off now. Y'all want some? All right, there you go. Mm-hmm. You see that? Sometimes I like to double dip, not double choke. So Thursday I went to the Uptown Night Market. Friday I went to go see Lil Wayne. Saturday I hung out with my boo thing. Um, don't worry, we'll get into that later on. Weekend was good. Today is Tuesday. If you're seeing this video now, y'all, it's Tuesday, July 10th. Happy birthday to my uncle. Say happy birthday to my uncle. Shout out to y'all whose birthday is today. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this last shrimp, then I got to go. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Let me know. Was it good? Was it great? Or did it stink? And it's all right. Not every day gonna be great. But we here, and that's all I got to say. Yeah, give me some of that. My nose is dripping and shit. Y'all think I'll be a good mukbanger? All right, I got to go. I love y'all.